In today's business world, there's a stark contrast in how executives approach spending on technology. While they frequently replace their iPhones, they hesitate to invest in premium employee time clocks. Employee time clocks are essential for monitoring attendance, reducing time theft, and ensuring compliance with labor laws. Despite these benefits, many businesses hesitate to invest due to the upfront cost and fear of technological integration. Business executives often replace their iPhones every 3 years, resulting in a higher total cost over a decade compared to a one-time investment in a premium time clock. The perceived manageability of spreading the cost over a monthly plan contributes to this practice. There's an underlying irony in how executives readily invest in personal technology, but hesitate to allocate funds for tools that benefit the entire organization. This short-sightedness overlooks the long-term returns of investing in employee time clocks. Businesses need to reassess their priorities and recognize the value of investing in technology that benefits the entire workforce. Educating decision-makers about the long-term advantages and ROI of premium time clocks is crucial. In conclusion, the reluctance to invest in premium employee time clocks, juxtaposed with the ease of replacing iPhones, that highlights a need for a shift in business spending priorities. Recognizing the long-term benefits and substantial ROI of time clocks can enhance overall productivity and operational efficiency.